Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and the name of this channel is Nothing But Bags. I call this channel Nothing But Bags because I seriously do not care about fashion or luxury items unless you're talking about handbags. Like, I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I literally only care about the bag that I'm carrying. My clothes are an accessory to me. My handbag is the main event. Thank you all so much for supporting me. Anyone that has watched a video, if you've commented, if you've subscribed, if you've shared me out, I sincerely appreciate all of you. I have a little over 700 subscribers right now. And I know this kind of sounds rehearsed, and you hear people say this a lot on here, but I never expected anybody would watch my videos. I didn't. I love to talk about handbags, and I don't have anyone in my social circle that is into bags the way that I am. I have friends that like bags, they're okay, but like when it comes to sitting down talking about it for 2 or 3 hours or constantly searching the web about them, they could care less about stuff like that. So I came here really because I knew there were people on YouTube that liked handbags as much as I did, and that bought handbags and unboxed them and compared them to each other. And I wanted to be part of that community. I wanted to be able to converse with people about handbags. And so for anyone that has liked a video, commented on a video, subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you. D Brooks, I think you watch every single one of my videos. If you don't, I don't know which one you've missed. You always comment, you talk to me. Literally, you're like someone I know in my head. I feel like we're really friends in real life. I just wanted to shout you out because you don't know how much it means to me to see your comments come up on a video. It just makes me feel like somebody out there gives a flip about me. You watch my videos more than my sister-in-law and more than my friends in real life, like people I know in person. So I just want to tell you thank you. And to anybody, I'm not trying to just pick one particular person, but anybody that watches me and comments and shares my videos and is subscribed to my channel and talks to me back and forth on your videos or comments on my videos, thank you from the bottom of my heart. As you saw from the thumbnail and the title of this video, this is an unboxing of a Coach Tabby. I'm going to pop in some B-roll with some music, and you're going to see the actual unboxing. I don't like to have to wait to do an unboxing on my channel because when I get a bag, I want to open it up immediately. And sometimes I'm in my pajamas, I ain't brushing my teeth, I ain't comb my hair, I put it into a style, and I don't feel like coming on camera, but I still want to unbox the video. Unbox the bag on video. So I'll record my unboxings. I also think it kind of gives you a better close-up picture, and then I'll usually clip those into my videos. So because this is an unboxing video, without further ado, because I've been talking about 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to pop in the unboxing here. And after you finish, you'll come back and you'll see what I actually purchased and my first impressions. So as you saw from the unboxing, I purchased the Coach Tabby, as you saw from the video, I purchased the Coach Tabby 20 in canary yellow. So I kept seeing yellow. My nails are yellow. I kept seeing yellow. I was watching, the other day, I was watching Catfish. And one of the young ladies on there, her friend was the person that was being catfished. And she was on there in this beautiful yellow shirt. And I've been seeing the color yellow everywhere. It pops up all the time. And so I searched and I Googled what does it mean when you seem to be evoking a color? And yellow is the color of happiness and optimism. Yellow is a cheerful, energetic color that brings fun and joy to the world. It makes learning easier as it affects the logical part of the brain, stimulating mentality and perception. It inspires thought and curiosity and boosts enthusiasm and confidence. And so when the girl's picture popped up on the screen and I did the search for the definition of like, why do I seem to be evoking this color or drawing this color, and that popped up, I ordered it. I ordered it because one of the things I saw was it brings sunshine and happiness to a dark place. And like my stand that I keep all my bags is like a dark brown with a dark iron material that keeps it together. And I wanted this to sit on there. And I'm of course going to carry it too, but that's why I bought this color. As soon as I saw this color released, I've had it on my phone in my screenshots just sitting there. And every time it popped up, I would look at it and I would sit in the cart and I would be like, Liz, we're not buying bags right now. We're trying to stop. We have enough handbags. We're trying to stop buying so many handbags. But this bag just made me very happy. You're familiar with the Coach Tabby. I don't need to go into this Quilted Tabby with you. Leather C. When they say snap closure, I always wonder what they meant. Snap closure means it has these little holders in the center where my nail is that this little knob or nodule clicks into, and it sticks in there and snaps. And all you have to do is just pull it out. It has this little flap that covers the front pocket, and the flap, as you know, says the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. You open that flap, it is magnetized, and this little flap is like a pocket. It has a textile lining. It's not all leather inside. When you get inside of the bag, it has two pockets. It has a front pocket. It did come with a dust bag with a textile lining. On the back pocket, it has another textile lining and that Coach story patch. The strap is not adjustable, not removable. I was just watching on my way to the office today. I was just watching Lady B, and she has a black quilted tabby in black, a black quilted tabby with black hardware, and she was saying the same thing. She said it's not adjustable, and she said, well, it really is adjustable because you can adjust it to be a crossbody strap or it can be a shoulder strap. It has that yellow leather material that is weaved into the chain strap, sort of reminiscent of the Chanel bag, and it has a pocket on the back with a textile lining. It has a Coach tag to it, silver hardware. I just think I'm a person that loves, the reason I said the thing about the adjustable strap, I'm a person that loves adjustable, removable straps. I think it's extremely important and removable for me because I like to stage and post my bags on my shelving unit. And when the straps can't be removed, I have to figure out how I'm going to manage that. What I really like about this bag that I find it doesn't exist in some of my other bags is when you pull the chain strap in and you kind of tuck it into the bag, it stays there. And I don't know why. If anybody does know why, tell me why. Because on my Louis Vuitton wave chain bag, my chain strap won't stay inside. It's like this stays inside. Why does it stay inside? And it has no leather, piece to kind of sit on your shoulder. Why does it stay inside, y'all? If y'all know, tell me. I don't know why this stays inside, but it does. So I can sit this on my shelf, and I really like that about this bag. I follow Danette, Fierce and 50 Plus, her channel. It's one of my favorite channels on YouTube. She's one of my favorite handbag content creators on YouTube. And the reason I love her so much is because she is who I would aspire to be. She has a very elevated, very high level luxury handbag collection. And she has a number of these. I know she has the chalk one with the lips on it. I know she has the one that's denim. I want to say she has another leather one, but don't quote me on it. You can always go around there and subscribe to her channel. Any content creator that I mention in a video, you need to go. I always post them somewhere in my description box. Not because I'm trying to get anybody's attention, but because if I mention a channel, I want you to be able to go to the channel and check that person out. And because she has such an elevated level of taste in handbags, I knew that if I got a Quilted Tabby, I would be getting a high level bag. Some of the things I saw people kind of complain about was a pulling of the leather in these spots. And I kind of have that too. Doesn't really bother me. I don't know if that's a quality issue, but I've heard people talk about that. I've also heard people complain about the lining and the quilts not lining up, which mine does, as I'm seeing in the camera. Not so much in the back on some of them, like it lines up right here, not right here so much. Sort of right here, not quite right here. But I'm not that ticky about my quality. Some stuff I'm ticky about, some stuff I'm not. So that's not really a quality issue to me. But I just love the color. The color really makes me happy. I'm going to stick some B-roll in here now so you can see what fit in this. I did do a what fits in my Coach Tabby video. I love the fact that another content creator I love on here is content with Candace. Candace is about quality. She's about quality. If it's not top tier quality, it's going back. And she was the one that hit me to glazing. I didn't know glazing was a not so great thing. She doesn't like glazing. And I noticed that this bag has no glazing on it. The only glazing I see is on the tag. So that is an indication to me, based on watching her videos, that this bag is well made. I just love this little bag. I think it's beautiful. I think it is a great little pop of color, but you should have at least one little bag with color so that you can have a pop of color. Because sometimes you're wearing, like I'm wearing camo and a gray shirt. This adds a little dimension of color. Not that I know anything about fashion, but you know, to me, everybody should have a colored bag in their handbag collection. And I just thought this was an absolute, it just makes me smile. It makes me happy. I think it's a beautiful color. Anyway, gone on way too long. Just wanted to share that I bought a Coach Quilted Tabby, and to share with you is the Tabby 20. If you're considering purchasing this bag, I would say yes, yes, yes. I love the quality. I think it's well made. It doesn't have any glazing on it. Everything is sewn. I think it's very well made. I think it's a beautiful saturated color. The leather is very soft. I feel the quilting is very soft and very supple. It doesn't have an adjustable or removable strap, but I do love how the strap falls into the bag, so I'm able to sit it out without worrying about what I'm gonna do with the strap. And I think it was a great addition to my collection. Paid full price for it. It wasn't on sale or anything. I'll put the price somewhere around here for you, as well as the dimensions of the bag, just for informational purposes. I'm pretty sure you can still get this on the Coach website. It's relatively new, so I don't think you'll have a difficulty getting the bag. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop down in the comments and let me know that you stopped by. I love talking back and forth to people that leave comments on my videos. I try to respond to every single one. If I haven't responded to you, charged my head, not my heart, it's because it just got overlooked. But I typically try to respond to everyone. If you have a Coach Quilted Tabby in your collection, which one do you have? What size and what color? Because this comes in a variety of sizes and colors. And the only other thing I'll ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.